I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, and today I am talking about the succulents. As you see, we have the variety of succulents over here, and I have grown them only in the last 6 months. I think I have started making a collection of succulents in December only. Until May, I have grown these different varieties. Taking care of succulents in summer is very easy, I say, because you have to keep in the area where the morning sun light reach to them, and do not water them very frequently, and just stick your finger in the soil and see if there is a moisture. Then do not water it, just see to it that the soil seems to be quite wet. Look over here, this plant has a dry soil and it requires water, so water only in the morning hours. Once you're watering it, you put a water into it till it gets drained out properly, and for next 2 3 days do not add water into the already watered pots. I have the clancho over here. This is variegated clancho, this is simple clancho. One more clancho I have over here. This is another clancho. So they give beautiful flowers, and they start flowering in the month of December, and their flowers, they go as long as the dry spell of summer begin. This is Crassula having a big leaves. This is a very beautiful plant. Haworthia, which you find it is called a desert plant, and it is also called zebra plant, but it does not require much watering every day. We have the jackfruit plants. This is a very beautiful plant. I really like it because just see how beautiful are the leaves that come up with it, that just comes up. We have the green chili plant. It is very different, very rare variety. Just see. We have the Vishnu Kamal plant. Crassula with big leaves. This is another variety of Crassula. Eckelveria. Very nice plant. Sansevieria, snake plant. We have the panda plant also, the kind of the margins you see around the leaf. This is the aloe vera, small aloe vera plant which I am growing. This is a hybrid succulent also. It does not grow much, but it just comes out in the small numbers, and it really look beautiful when it comes out. But keep in a shade only. This is a shade loving plant. These are the different varieties of the Eckelveria plants, and that I'm growing it out right now. Just see round. They're the little ones, and I think within the next few months they will grow up. These are the hanging succulents. They look so beautiful and refreshing once you put into the hanging baskets. They just come down. This is another variety of Sansevieria with the margins on the sides, white margins on the side. This is another one where the margins are in the center and the greens are the margin and the white is in the center. These are the different plants which I'm propagating right now. This is also, you just see that the leaves are coming up, the leaves are fell down, and ultimately I started propagating those leaves in the small pots. This is Crassula, variegated Crassula. It looks very beautiful, but it has a very slow growth. This is another plant which you call it as a mother of 100 plants. So you just see that the small plants just come out in the margins of the leaf, and they all fell down and form new plant, baby plants. This is also another variety of plants, and it has a different shades of gray and green. It looks so beautiful. We have the purplish Echeveria with the moon plant. We have another beautiful of Echeveria. Then moon plant also is there. We have the Graptovine, Camphire, and the Mexican snowball. There also we have the petal plant, jade plant, and another one is not a jade, but people call it a jade plant, but it is native of Africa. And right now I really forgotten its name. And it grows as big as bush, and people make really make bonsai of this plant, and this looks very beautiful. So all these plants I have propagated during the last 6 months, and when I once went to the Ladakh, I have seen at different corners that are being allotted to these plants. I got fascinated by it, and so I have started propagating it at my house. And so it really looks different, very delicate, very beautiful. I hope you must have liked the video. I have tried to give you all the nice information whatever I have, and I think if you have any kind of problem, please please free to share your views in my description box and give your comments and suggestions to improve it also. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my channel.